Hey guys, Andrew and Justin back from Calvert Sports Cards again. Got another product we haven't opened up on the channel. Scored a mega box of Select football. First time I've ever opened Select in general, not to mention opening up on the channel. So you get 40 cards per box, 10 packs, and you get a purple Prism die cut in each pack on average, as they say, just in case they screw it up. But yeah, we're gonna get right into this mega box here. Would have liked to get 2 of these to do a pack battle, but unfortunately we only have 1, and we didn't want to hold it off, so I'm just gonna open it. Right, you haven't opened Select before, right, Justin?
No, I have not.
I'm like destroying this box. It's pretty funny how some boxes are packaged like horribly, and then other boxes are packaged really well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
I assume there's one
purple in each box.
Yeah.
Yep. Usually we're able to get it to fit in the whole screen there, but that'll have to work. All right, let's just get right into it. So yeah, the purples are the only guarantee. I do know that Select has all the different like field levels and different pictures, but I couldn't tell you which ones they are off the bat. So Sam Darnold. Aldon Smith is our first purple from the Cowboys, die cut. That's club level. Or Aldon Smith, right?
Yes.
Brett Favre, rookie card. And Ezekiel Elliott, that is the premier level.
And what's the difference?
You can look at them. The difference, well,
no, I'm saying like
premier
is there
level.
Value difference.
The field level is the most sought after one. So that's Concourse. Zeke is Premier. Here's a rookie for you. Jordan Fuller. Christian McCaffrey die cut. Oh, we got a white die cut in the back there, or the next one. So I'm going to pull from the back. And that is A.J. Terrell, rookie from the Falcons.
He's pretty good.
Club level. And this card is Amari Cooper, white from the Cowboys.
Looks like it's silver.
It's
a silver.
It's like a hollow, but it's not silver because it's white. But it's the Prism. They'll have it labeled there. Premier level. So that's nice because that's not a guarantee. And then the McCaffrey is also premier level. They all like that, yeah. Gardner Minshew, he'll be getting a lot of playing time this year.
Who?
Gardner Minshew.
Oh, yeah.
J.K. Dobbins, rookie, purple.
Oh, don't do it to him.
A C.D. Lamb. What's it called? The Select Certified. And then a K.J. Hamler from the Broncos Premier level. Couple of Cowboys for you, Justin. C.J. Henderson from the Jags. Khalil Mack is our pink. Another rookie card of Barry Sanders, turbocharged. And Nick Chubb. How many packs was that? 5? 1. That was 4. Kind of underwhelming first 4 packs. The Amari Cooper is all right. And I guess CD's nice, but
think you've had at least a rookie.
No quarterbacks.
There's a Jordan Love, as
Yep.
you say it.
As I ask for. I mean, I should just start complaining more.
No, you're good.
We do have a silver coming up, too.
Oh,
Alex
the GOAT.
Smith. That's
The
why
rookie.
he's the GOAT. You know anything about Jedrick Wills?
Jedrick Wills. He's
Yep.
I think he was like their first round pick, offensive.
Another Jordan Love.
Was that what you thought was your?
This is silver concourse.
Yeah.
And then second Jordan Love at the end
Different
there.
camera angle.
Yeah, so this is the club level. And this is the concourse.
Neither of the ones are good.
I don't know like what the levels are, I guess, but I know that the field level is the most sought after, and I know what that one would look like. Kyler Murray, there he is. That's gotta be nice. Purple Joe Burrow, club level. We like that. Here you go, Justin. Complete the trifecta.
Oh,
Dak Hot Stars and Gabriel Davis. Joey B. I don't know what that's worth, but gotta be a little something.
maybe a little something.
Well, we got two die cuts here. Denzel Mims.
Another Jedrick Wills.
Jedrick Wills. Pull from the back here. Cortland Sutton. Then another white of Zeke. You are
It's
just
a Cowboys
box,
box.
man. Not too bad there. 3 packs left still.
If there's an auto, it'd be in this one, I think.
Oh, here's the true GOAT.
Dwayne
Train Haskins. Michael Pittman Jr.
It's an insert. Oh,
Yep.
the rookie.
Troy Polamalu, rookie. Unbreakable. And we got Dan Marino, rookie.
And Molina.
2 packs left. Dang, I saw that Charger for a second. Jason Moore. Don't know anything about him. This is a field level. LaMichael Pirine. Field level die cut. Chase Young. Certified. Take that. And another Cowboy for you,
Hey.
Trayvon Diggs. All right, we have a field level here. It's from the Saints. Couldn't tell who it was. All right, so this should be a decent one, at least, because I see a silver, and then we'll see here. Kamara. Oof. Minshew. Oh, my
Our
God.
boy, T. Higgins.
Oh my
That's still
God.
good.
It is good, but not who I was looking for. And Taysom Hill, field level. So I would say we did get a handful of good stuff here. Chase Young.
Probably the Joey B's the best.
Yeah, I was looking for that. This is probably the best card. Don't quite know what it's worth, but obviously Joe Burrow, color parallel die cut. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And until next time, we're out of here. Peace.